The Academy of Management recently moved its listserv to a new platform called Connect. Here is a short tutorial on how to join communities on the Connect platform if you do not have an AOM membership. Visit this link, aom.link/AOM community. I already have an account, but I'm going to show how to create a new account. And here so all you have to do is follow the procedures. It'll automatically recognize if you already have a membership. If you do not have a membership, it'll ask you to go through. So let me do it just to show you how to do it. I'm going to say that I'm not this person. It picked up. So all you have to do is fill in the blanks, create a user profile. This takes you less than 5 minutes to create one. Once you have done it, all you have to do is come back to this site. AOM-link, join communities. Once you come to this website, join communities, you will see an opportunity. All the communities will be listed. All you have to do is scroll down and you can join any of these communities. Just to show you, let me join Humanistic Management. As soon as you join, you will see two options. One, how you want to receive community notifications. I prefer to receive community notifications. That it makes it easier for me to track. Then I want to receive one email at the end of the day. You can change it to anything if you want. So if you like every note to come to you as soon as it is posted, then you want to choose this. Otherwise, stick with the default, join the community. That's it. I hope you join our communities and participate in the conversation with fellow members. Good luck, folks. Thanks.